Okay, we're here at Sophia's, a brand new place here in Delray Beach at 15065 Florida State Road 7. Brand new place, they just opened. I'm going to be, in all honesty, reviewing their grandma pizza. It's the only one they sell by the slice. Nice place, great owners, really nice people in there. Here it is, the beautiful grandma slice. Well done, just the way I like it. In all fairness, this is the first grandma slice review. We're going to be reviewing this purely on the grandma, okay? Looks good underneath. Crust looks really good, nice cheese. Sauce, here we go. Excellent. That is a great slice of pizza. Crust is delicious. Everything made fresh. Everything, even their bread is made fresh every day. Everything's homemade. This is really awesome slice of pizza. Great grandma slice. I love the cheese. I love the tomatoes. All natural. Really good. Once again, Sophia's in Delray Beach at 15065 Florida State Road 7. Come check this place out. It's awesome. People are really nice. That's my review. I'm going to give it an 8.6. 8.6, that's the score on the grandma.